Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now let's start uh, Start Pro, a new project. Today I will discuss about move entities, how to use move command in Start Pro. So basically move command is a working of totally change in position, one position to move next other position. I want which place to paste. So today I will discuss about move command. So now let's go here, new project, select this space here and apply the millimeter and kilogram and go to next. Okay, then okay, and here the add beam, so apply the add beam. And now let's this again look at this here, graphical method. It's a very easy work from graphical method. And now let's start graphical method working. So first of all click this plane here, so front plane we will do the working here, and create the any structure member. So click this point and also click this point, and next this click this point and also apply the point here and click next like this. If you again joint, so when you hear the click this joint and this node and this node, same thing if you joint here, so click this point and click here and also again this joint here, so click this point. So it is here the joint of member, one joint, two joint between one member. It's make this here, and now press the cursor and move anywhere here. Press the cursor and move to anywhere and set the position. Now I will go to move, how to move. So first of all go to here like this generated mirror, and how to move. So first of all define the mirror plane here, the y and z axis. Okay, then second thing is apply the node on plane. Which node? Here the number of many node available, 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that different node is here, but you on selected this node, I'm select this node and go to mirror. So select this node, first of all click this node and okay, this node about to mirror, right, and showing this is apex is 2 millimeter. And second thing we will set this area, go to here and I do want to move, so not the copy, here the move, two type of process here. So now just right now work in move entities. So select the move and click this all structure member, every structure member is catch, then select this move here, about to node, this node about to mirror, and which plane according to y and z. So how to move and go to move here. So let's look at this here, move totally change in this position. This position is here, this side opposite side, and directly change to this opposite side. So same thing, how to go to again mirror move position. So when you go to move here and select the x and z axis, right, x and z axis we will click and click the node point, and again node point is decide here, only a single node point, click this node and click the node point. Okay, the node point has been selected. Okay, exit on here, and this is like node 1 and apply the number of y-axis is zm. So it's a generated node. So when you go to move, so click the move, and before selected all body. So when you selected this all body, and here the selected all body, and dialogs box, it's everything is apply here, and go to OK. So you can see here it's very easy to move in our every quantities, whatever our design, and easy to move in the position according to node. So it's a very easy work from this Start Pro and Move entities. So today has been complete the session, and thank you.